Good morning, guys. We have a blessing this morning. When we woke up, we seen already. My husband saw it. Buttercup already has a baby. We don't know what time she gave birth. It is, right now, it is 6:45. I know it. She will give birth first week of July. Good morning, Buttercup. Look like your baby is a female. It's a baby girl. Good morning, Margaret. I told you you become tita. Now, Diesel, you become a father again. You're proud, huh? Diesel, you're proud. You have a baby again, no? Yeah, you're now a mama, Buttercup. Aray ko. Where you give birth, Buttercup? Hey, little girl. Over there, the milk of your mama. No, little girl. Yeah, over there. Yay. Drink milk. Come on. No, you're so cute. I'm so happy, little girl. I'll see you. Yeah, your mama now, Buttercup. Nice your color, baby girl. Unlike Janina. Janina is totally black. Only on her belly is white.